Hey everyone, welcome back to my video channel one more time. So how is it going on? Today we will learn 6 ways you can get paid to wear the clothes. Okay, this is completely free idea and it can work for anybody who is willing to go and wear the clothes and showcase themselves online. Okay, so this is very unique idea, you might not have heard it before. So let's understand through this video how it works and how you can get paid it as a side hustle. So can you really get paid to wear the clothes without being a professional model? So the answer is yes. Getting free clothes sounds like a fun hack, but you can also get paid to wear the clothes and your honest opinion for the extra cash. Getting paid to wear the clothes may not even involve you actually wearing the clothing. Okay? So if you have a platform, you may simply be asked to share the information about a particular brand or share images of the clothing and how it works. Okay. So don't worry, you don't have to be successful blogger or influencer to get paid to wear the clothes either. Okay. So clothing is not something related to the that traditional methods of earning money or contacting the influencers. Here a variety of options are there to help you get started. So there are also two modes for this one. You can either share your opinion directly for the various brands on the social media, or you can have straight up wearing of the clothes and have your videos or photos captured for various online platforms. Whether they are e-commerce based or advertising based, it can work for you. So let's keep watching the video further to understand how it works actually. Now, if this doesn't work for you, then you can always learn how to start your own t-shirt business. Okay, that is I have also covered in the print on demand services and how you can grow that business. So first is collaborate with brands on social media. If you love using social media and are generating a following, you may consider partnering with the brands to get paid to wear the clothes. Okay, some brands will compensate you for wearing their clothes in a post or even help you host the giveaway for the your own audience also. So you can often get paid a flat fee for a brand partnership. Alternatively, you can establish an affiliate marketing situation where you would earn a commission if followers use your link and make a purchase. Okay, so in this case you are just promoting the brand but you are not actually wearing the clothing. Okay, however, don't feel like you have to have like tens of thousands of followers to have a successful brand partnership. What matters more is quality of your audience and your engagement with them. One of the best ways to find companies and entrepreneurs who are willing to partner with you on a social media is to sign up with the influencer network. Here is the list of best influencer networks you can consider for getting started. Okay, start a lifestyle blog. Starting a lifestyle blog can become a great way to get paid to wear the clothes. You can do affiliate marketing and promote certain clothing brands and then websites for the extra cash. For example, you can post picture of you in the clothing and give an honest review to promote your affiliate link. Okay, you can also reach out to the individual brands to see if you can create a sponsored content to share on your blog while wearing their clothes. Okay, then there is a fashion box referral program. Okay, fashion subscription boxes are becoming more and more popular these days, and each subscription box usually contains a few clothing items based on the personal style. So you can decide what if anything you would like to buy. Then ship the rest of the clothes back. You pay a styling fee for each time the box gets sent to you, and you can also promote the same by wearing it and publishing it on the social media or the social box. If you already receive a fashion subscription box, then you can refer others and earn money when they sign up under you. Also, you could share a video of yourself unboxing the clothing when it arrives along with how some of the selected items look on you. Okay, and you can also earn money by sharing your referral link on the social media with the video or the post itself. So you don't have to have like huge following to make money from the referrals as well. Some people in your personal circle may share your interest and want to give the fashion subscription box a try. Then there is also another trick: be a model for someone. I used to watch like America's Next Top Model growing up, and I often saw how hard it was to be a professional model. So however, I think more and more people are making money from other types of modeling on a beginner level. If you want to get paid to wear the clothes, you can just consider starting at a beginner level by modeling some outfits, okay, or a local retailer, for example, or a young designer. And of course, designers also need people to wear their clothes and take pictures of them for the catalogs and websites that they are going to publish for their new businesses. So this could be another way to make money. Then also, who would have thought that Upwork has the same services for which you get paid? Upwork also has a section where people find models for hire. Okay, So you can always create a profile to attract new clients, and it can build you a modeling portfolio as well. Then also final thoughts on getting paid to wear the clothes is, if you're looking to get paid to wear the clothes, it is possible, but it isn't always easy. Okay. However, you can get creative and consider growing an online platform as well, or look into some sites that will pay you for your opinion on clothing brands or give out free products. This strategy will also work out if you go with the Amazon. Okay. You can just find out different brands that are already registered on the Amazon. You can contact the owners directly and try your resume there. Okay, you can also catch them on the Amazon live chats, or you can go through the MTurk and also find same designers available on the Upwork or Fiverr. In that section, you can also post your requirements. You can post your portfolio, which you have created through your lifestyle blog. Okay, where you would be publishing a lot of pictures of yourself wearing the new clothes and unboxing the fashion boxes. So this way you can grow your strategy slowly. Okay. In any case, you don't need a lot of referrals or a lot of audience. Whoever will like the clothing will start buying it and start publishing your blogs to someone else. Okay. You can also try out some coupon strategies on your blog, like giving away them some discounts on their purchases, so that you can attract more audience for that matter. Also, you start with your family and friend circle first, so that they can have a review left on your Upwork profile or in your blog. Different comments can be put up, so that you can attract the positive audience to your network. So this way you can grow in the fashion industry also, and you can also have like side hustle by just wearing the clothing for yourself. Okay guys, so I hope you will love this strategy and you will start working on this one soon. Thank you guys.